everyone. It is time for Earth Science. We are now on lesson 24. There is not much left to this quarter. Wow. Okay, so here is our agenda, and as always, we will do our mindfulness. So take a deep breath and blow out, and another, and blow out, and one more, and out. Okay, think of something you are grateful for. Any small thing. All right. Today's question of the day, what is meant by the term per capita? So we were investigating some of the ideas around the carbon footprint, and we were thinking about how greater populations would have the likelihood of an increased carbon footprint. We can look at carbon footprint for an entire country. We can look at how many people are in that country and think about how many people are there, and then consider the carbon footprint per capita or per person that lives there for the population. Okay, so think about that. Today's Daily Funny. Why shouldn't you write with a broken pencil? Because it's pointless. Yeah, learning target. I will explain disadvantages to fossil fuel energy sources. The norms for this lesson, we're going to commit to proper use of electronics as we are going about gathering information. Terms, we're thinking about lots of terms. We're going to be looking at lots of different energy sources, different kinds of energy. So we're thinking about renewable energy. We're thinking about oil, which also can be called from petroleum. We can think about natural gas, which also can be called methane. Coal, nuclear energy, solar energy, wind energy, geothermal energy. That one maybe needs a little explanation. So energy from the heat of materials that are in the earth. So geo-earth, thermal heat. Biomass energy, that might need a little explanation too. So bio, living or once living, mass, so material that's living or once living, energy. So this is usually in the form of like wood or something else that was recently living that we can burn. Hydropower, also called hydroelectric power. So hydro is water. So and electricity that we can get from the movement of water. And then the idea of energy efficiency, how well the energy is transferred to our uses. Okay, so lots of terms there. We're going to be sticking with those terms tomorrow as well, or the next lesson, I should say. What we did previously, what we're doing moving forward, so we referred to some diagrams, charts, and graphs. We analyzed some of that data related to carbon emissions, and now we're going to start to investigate energy alternatives in the hope of figuring out ways that we can have a lesser impact on our environment. We as humans hoping that we can have a lesser impact on the environment. Okay, so we are going to go to the Energy Kids page for a web quest. So when you get there, and I'll put the link so you can click on it on the Google Classroom, but it should look like, when you get to the front page, it should look something like this. And we're going to use this, we're going to search around this, click on things and whatever to search for answers. If you don't want to use this website, which I think has really quite a lot of information nicely arranged, but if you don't want to use it, you can certainly do your own Google search for the answers to the information that I'm looking for. Okay, so again, this is the website we're probably going to be using. And today, I just want you to follow the directions to answer the questions. I want you to get through at least number 24. So that's the first two sides of the worksheet. It's pretty straightforward. You should easily be able to do that. We will finish the rest of this on the next lesson. So again, it's going to tell you to click around on different things and look up different types of energy and find out information related to those different types of energy. Okay, when you are done, you should easily be able to explain disadvantages to fossil fuel energy sources. So any kind of fossil fuel would be one that we're looking at here, and there are many disadvantages, many ways that these are negatively impacting our environment. So make sure you're thinking about those. For homework, please just hold on to this for now. We are going to continue this the next lesson. We will submit that after the next lesson, okay? So please remember to email me if you have any questions. Again, it is searingm@mapleton.us. I hope all of you are doing well. Take care of yourselves, and I will see you next time.